So, you've been given access to a Google Sheet. There's only one problem though. You're in view-only mode and you're unable to download, make a copy, or copy and paste the data from the sheet, but you want to make a backup somehow. Well, there's a way to do it. So, in the URL for the sheet, where it says edit, type in preview instead, then hit enter. And you'll be given a preview mode of this sheet. And the great thing is you're actually able to drag and select to copy the data. So now I'm in Google Sheets. I'm going to create a blank sheet and then I'm going to hit Control V to paste the data. And as you can see, the data is still in all the same cells as before. And we've now got it on our own Google Sheet. I just want to say you can't use this preview mode to access data you wouldn't be able to access while in view only mode. It's literally just a way to get the data you can see somewhere else. Thanks for watching.